Brazil Supreme Court Equity sends charge against President to Congress. Reuters. By Ricardo Brito. Brasilia. A Brazilian Supreme Court Equity sent a debasement accusation against President Michel Temer to Congress on Wednesday, propelling the procedure under which the middle-right pioneer could be expelled from office to confront trial for graft. The equity, Edson Fachin, rejected a contention made by Brazil's best government prosecutor that the Supreme Court ought to hear preparatory contentions on the charge and its benefits for 15 days, before choosing whether to send it to the lower place of Congress. Under Brazilian law, it is currently up to the House of Deputies to choose whether to enable the Supreme Court to attempt Temer, who supplanted impugned Liberal President Dilma Rousseff a year ago. 66% of the lower house must vote against Temer for his trial to happen. The president was accused for the current week of organizing to get $38 million $11.55 million in influences from administrators at JBS-3 SA, the universe's biggest meat processor. Temer marked the charge of fiction in a broadly broadcast address on Tuesday, even as he recognized that it could hurt the economy and hamper his legislature's gets ready for sweeping changes to help lift Latin America's greatest nation out of a memorable subsidence. The Brazilian pioneer has over and again said he is guiltless of any wrongdoing and has rejected calls from the restriction to leave. He is made up for lost time in a 3-year Against Unite push by specialists that has uncovered staggering levels of defilement in Latin America's biggest nation. The plans include organizations paying billions of dollars in influences to government officials and administrators at state-run organizations as an end result of winning contracts and different political favors. Temer, 33% of his bureau, 4 past presidents and many legislators are either on trial, confronting charges or under scrutiny for defilement. More than 90 individuals have been discovered liable up until now. More debasement allegations are relied upon to be made against Temer by Prosecutor General Rodrigo Janet in the coming weeks. Each of those charges will require a vote by the full lower house on regardless of whether the president should confront trial. A vote on the primary charge against Temer is relied upon to happen in 3 to 4 weeks. On the off chance that under 66% of the WHO